Hello everyone, I hope you people are fine. Nowadays, due to coronavirus, universities and institutions are closed. Whole of the academic activity is going through online classes. Most of faculty members are new with it, therefore they are having trouble, and sometimes they don't know very much good about the some good screen recorders. So for that very reason, I have decided to help such people. I have attempted many screen recorders, and I have found this AVS video editor as a good screen recorder. That's why I decided to share with you people. First of all, you have to go to Google and you have to mention there AVS video editor 9.2, or simply mention AVS video editor. Then you will find directly AVS www.avsforyou.com. Click it and you will find this screen. Here you can simply download AVS video editor. Once you download it, then you will have this icon on your desktop. Whenever you have to record your lecture, you have to simply double click this video editor, and you also have to open your PowerPoint slides which you have to record on your screen. Let me open it. I have to minimize it. Now my PowerPoint slide is open and I have to record my lecture. You have to press the capture screen. It shows like this. It gives us three easy options: full screen cover, selected screen cover, and selected window cover. So I recommend selected area, and now you can see if I open my slides, I can simply adjust my screen here in slide like this. Now you can see my slide is simply the frame of this screen selection. It only covers my slide. I have a more easy option to simply change the slides like this and like this. So this AVS screen capture is only covering this area. Okay, once I complete my lecture, I simply select. Now it gives us the option to stop capture. Press Ctrl F10 or click the AVS capture. I start and it starts recording. You can see the blinking green and white, and it's now taking the overall screen recording and also my voice. So I simply go on different slides, and once I stop and it starts recording, you can see the blinking green and white. Now I select the save video. It moves towards the editor panel. In editor panel we have a good option that if we have any pauses, extra long pauses, or issues of sound, or any voice fumbles or coughings, we can remove it by in this area by extending it. So this is a kind of editing work. Or if we have simply recorded our lecture and we don't want to edit, if we want to edit, we can change different transitions. We can include different transitions in our slides. We can also involve video effects. We can also add text if we want. We can further add our voices if we like. Disk menu, any other, we can set the thumbnails, as well as once our tasks are complete, then we have to simply press produce button. So if you don't have any addition in your slides, then simply press the produce button and project will start saving. It will ask you whether you want it as a file or as a disk, device, or web. I normally prefer web, as I have uploaded it in YouTube. So I select web, then I press next. In next I select YouTube and I move on. If I move on next, it asks me the location where I have to save my file. Then it tells us the space required and file. I simply press create. Continue. My task is completed now. It shows me my test video. Once I close this one, okay, now it shows me my test video. Where is my test lecture? Here you can see this is our lecture. So in this way we can simply record our lecture and upload it. The use of this software is very easy. It gives us very good voice. This is unregistered version, therefore it will give some watermark in the start, and later on watermark will be eliminated. Hence I recommend you all to test this software for your lecture recording. Thank you very much.